there's a black eye that exists on your company once you get hit and you have to make a claim. And at least like a fully paid out claim. It becomes harder and more expensive in the future to get another policy. The worst thing that can happen is you have to file a claim and, have a huge payout, because it makes life difficult in the aftermath of that as well. I talked to an MSP recently who has an open claim. And unfortunately, the way the story was told to me, this open claim is really unfortunate because it's not necessarily the MSP's fault. But at this point, they sort of have that black aura around them, that like stigma where the carriers are like, wait a second, because you have to tell carriers if you have an open claim, if you're trying to get a new claim. I'm sorry, a new policy. This MSP came to us and they said, what am I supposed to do? I'm coming to all of these different carriers. I'm applying. They're all like, we're hard out. You've got this stigma over you because you have this open claim. We're not going to mess with you. We're not going to touch it. So that's a rare case, but it is coming. And this makes it really, 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 really difficult for MSP. If you're a business owner listening to this today, your number one thought when it comes to insurance and cyber breaches is you should be telling your teams, this could shut our doors. We might have the ability to have this thing paid out the first time, but what are we going to do if we have this exposure and we have trouble finding a good policy or any carrier at all that will take the risk with us in the future? And then it happens a second time. I don't know how we survive. So I've never seen that happen yet. And I don't want to be the fear monger, but I do think it's a realistic fear that all MSPs should be thinking about and prepared for, and operating on the assumption that could happen, and thereby doing the right things in place to reduce that chance from ever occurring.